artists be na.
Everybody was excited. Drew, Jeezy. Oh, now the guys. So let's now put him on the label and move. He was even Charlie Papa the contract. Let's sign and move on. I said no, take your time. Go through the contract. He kept asking when should we sign it. I gave him a contract to go through the contract. Don't just sign. I mean, and I say this to every artist. Don't just take a contract and sign. Go through it. Let a lawyer go through the contract and check every space. Because there are some clauses, if you use your normal English, you may fail, all right? He understands better than a word. So go through it, let a lawyer check for you. So we started the journey. So I thought it was going to maybe take 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. First 3 months, we are waiting for contract to be signed. You ask him, he says, oh, we're still looking into it. I said, no problem. We will not stop working. We kept waiting 6 months. Okay. Then he started bringing some few things out he thought we could do for him. And I told the management, whatever he needs, whatever he wants, do it for him. So they took stuff out. They added stuff. He wanted his own YouTube space, YouTube account. Whatever he wanted, I said, do it. And they did everything. So ready to sign. I called him one day. Said, oh yeah, my father even wants to be part of the signing. And so my father says, we should wait when he comes. I said, no, we'll wait. Then we released a new song because we couldn't also wait because we were running. Yes. We're still waiting. Father is not coming. Suddenly he says, oh, he has some lawyers who are still going through the contract and they'll get back to us. And I said, you have lawyers from where? I said, from US, some 2 lawyers. I said, okay, well, yeah, that's cool. I mean, that's what we want. Take your time and work with a lawyer. Lawyers never showed up. And we had to release the video for running because we had shot a very good video for it. Moving forward, the next conversation I hear is that there's an email in our on Highly Spiritual Music platform, and then I had to go through it. Then a lawyer introduces herself as last minute's lawyer, and she's from Nigeria. And she's gone through the contract, but there are some few things she wants to counter. I said, hey, counter again. Whatever you want to counter, go ahead and counter. Let's see what we can do. First, number one, the artist cannot sign for 5 years. He will sign for only 2 years. And number 2, per every project, you're supposed to make sure you spend an amount of $150,000. Yeah, that's what they are countering. Number 3, on the digital space, the artist is entitled to 60% of whatever streams we get. 60% the artist, 40% the label. I say, hey, now I'm saying it so people don't, because I've heard people, sometimes you have to let it out. 4, shows. I mean, that's mechanical, right? Wherever he goes, not mechanical, performance, yes. Wherever he goes, wherever show, okay. So the label has 60%, he has 40%. I mean, there are other few things in there, I think I said, which obviously, it was absurd. It was something we couldn't run with. So we said, listen, I mean, what you're trying to say is the obvious. And the lawyer said, yes. Well, if you can't keep or do these things, then it's obvious that he is going to, what's the word? Out of the deal. And we replied and said, there's nothing like a deal in the first place. He, the artist, understands that, yes, there's a verbal conversation, but we haven't signed any contract. So what if you feel that it can't happen? Go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Then she wrote back and said, send us whatever you have spent on him. Let us pay. I said, when you plant a corn, and it gets into the ground, when it comes or it germinates, are you going to get 1 corn? So I can't even quantify because we have done a lot for him, all right? However, he's not for sale. I still love him from the first day how I took him. So if you feel that you can take him to where you want to, I mean, we're fine. We release him. You can take him along. And that's the conversation.
Showbiz 933. I'm loving it.
Right, so there is nothing like a veil in the first place. These are words from Kewa, Papa. And Uncle Phoebe says, Kewa, Abaji, Mami Shasi, and free. So now, this conversation about Uncle Phoebe can say, last minute is ungrateful. This is what Kewa has to say. Professionally, do you think, say, Kewa, and the end was so, and I say, me buano, out of don't you know, DCBNC?
No, and yet, one no buano. What is that first word business? Was the hit maker man in the buy? What I say? Now, it's gonna be DK side. So I said, near Mamma Diano, Kiwa was, I think, the one who was seeing signing money now. So after the money and the empty hit maker stuff, me first okay, young Twazo. And yet, Twazo, the say, professional. So now, on who is it, even if there was no deal, like the MTN, a deal seems like a deal will be. I will be the scalp of Bob is and what you can you now feel like it was an for.
But I think say empty and the normal Kewa say on from recording young 2 which he did.
Yeah.
Into no Sasa on way.
I don't know who is say after a year didn't you first say okay, Yakolana can do better. nti ade na on ne nto ade na mo ye no eso what you say but I say ye professional and last minute was being smart what you say me hu say am two last minute for no they were like as am odi kan jakiwa if say kiwa hu ni ntema ka endu 6 months kra because the contract am obi obesan I didn't come or can inside that 6 months. Have to go to like 6 months or something with me akwa ten lawyers ni money abehwim but so kiwa anye smart on that part if you so Charlie boy on na ni maybe one so yeah am last minute hu what you say am last minute hu ni mabim so the guy for say I say oh you okay with baby or do say am on wa betnya push no it me from where I'm standing me say ungratefulness because obi afoul from hitmaker shooting videos for you I mean at that time na contract na one can na one sign again na still no promo what you say na the part who say I say last minute the book you was to the extent say okajen say I'm back okajen say bibia wa spend the on quantify na on chairman no that means Charlie they plan this thing all this while but na kiwanya
na
dream course
but awadi then be ma artists lawyers be ka say e kawa bobia no hwamaye don't you think say bibi like bibia koswa KY is not telling us because to the extent say e ka say e kawa bobia hwamaye I mean this is too much
on the me from where this thing is coming from sana me hunu what is the Nigerians among pet bibia say be tani bibia yep am be wi no and when say there's this idea is next say we obi kwase the same with black issue on the where black went to no na Nigerian side with the empire am banning ne old manager na back for court issue ni man am solve issue ni nya den ewie na mo hu say black wa be den abe mo dia and me I won't be shocked if say last minute next label be Nigerian label enya me nwanwa what you say so those people are like that Nigeria for sana moti am be say be for artists na e be kona fe na we be nya enemies e o Ghana am be say mo de na e kwa am build Nigeria fan base ni man Ghanaian fan base no wa no bia me di ne ho ya obi ameka say otwake wadi no okoy na say enti bibia o bia no
betwa
amu tuatua o just na mo de ne kwa kewa me gina bia ameka say last bit kwa meka 1 cd or meka 2 cd bia wa drop nyuma esa mo ye promo no na they are going to talk about e ka bi odi kewa that's what the Nigerians are trying to do enti me hu ni say enye eye boa payo like mani da ho o just am person mani kewa wie like en na wie ye fiwo enya fi na ye fiwo na ye nyum ba ko bi wo na kwa kwagina akwesi na kwesi bibia ofele se waya makola ni bia no quantify yentua ne ka ewia bia ne bi waja ne pen bi kra o studio akokofo ade kewa bibi wonu afana de ne koma no na yen dele ade that's why like am chance on quantify bibia na am pese am di like obenya any bad stain bia wonu ho kra ansa na ma sign no waja se so now cry bi am yen sign no they are closing all loopholes but there's am closing loophole bia wo last minute one ansa na ma yen am signing no so that was another strategy am dey close one loophole from Kewa side on the Kewa na am guys Kewa na we are saying or quantify come the man like on the road like if you are me na quantify the amount
and yes kaketwa
the one no timi ka say even with the streaming way ka 60-40 ni ka no me me Kewa nka mawu with the quantify oh me ka mekumu because some more dem dey buy say even streaming platform nya ono benya 60
na
level nya 40 cool like me when ya anti asia ma bia kogu na me say mo ne ma nti me say me na me ko e promo me na me twa music video man no Friday night ne ma me na me ye ho adwuma so we are this is the budget am dey years ane ma no muntua and the kind of money me born I don't think bet me atua o dey say nti Kewa so OJ man I think say OJ just because of a boy na say no kan no but boy no was smart the people around him no I did not question baby like they know say I'm betting me na fi Kewa ho without even Kewa cran like 1G 10% in bon filas me then that's what you are doing because this is come we papa no na can never say papa why me bia no can I mean to I don't think say obeka say onye me ubude bufo beka say my papa me charge no yeah they knew pa say Kewa was helping the boy
but yan share saying so Kewa edwuma wa ya che I mean he's professional now it's because I love the boy although I'm done into no me try run and cram and it wasn't under any proper contract bibia en chance unji say Kewa a big mistake
come on me hu ni sa because on the side of Kewa no was it so come on pu bia sama witimi ya de mani pa no I want dream how to come after I didn't know. So that's how I saw Kiwa. Say, like, or yeah, the animal last made. You know, Sakolana, no matter how Akolana, the oil or no signing. On that was not doing now. Some start TV from MTN Hitmaker, the Ababi Dua. So, BBN no bit last made I say, or cock. But I don't know who. You don't say BBN now, because go ahead, or go ahead, Nema. I'm more me the problem was not from last made. But the people around last night. Which I said, I'm just Charlie, why big? Or Friday night, or running. Oh, we, Charlie.
I don't tell penna now.
Yeah, and you win a fat. It is in one young numbers. No, Charlie, move on now. Because we had do Kaya. I'm on up on YouTube channel. On up, you know, there. Charlie's all quiet. And he may be over yeah, the thing was planned way back when the Kewano or ye be out of love.
But I think it's a decision by last minute. It was a wise decision.
Yeah.
Because I've seen artists. A bit say Yemi Alede. When only Miss V same thing and happening. This Nigerian dance artist Cynthia Morgan. Yeah. Something happening. Even on the kind of deep crown pono. There was also sound there. You know, for artists to tell a label say me premiere me channel. There things say no there.
Oh no yeah. But once the horn is a horn cranga. A sound be makiwa.
Boy on your beko.
Yeah, boy on your beko. The moment I remember who say I say sisi oya ebuse bisa ni maybe ya e chese obeko no ezenga kiwa hu but odo no overcome bibia na o man ho kwan ma like ni ma bitim say atimi asi but I think say professional skill wise senya odo a sadi wonye o say I block chances be ama mo di na chi ama oba no ati do be sign ni bia no this ade we be insibio
is our sign I think it's 5 is saying
yeah 5 yeah and I think that sadi we be insibio o just say on say need any more flexible than links or compare with the links bibia ye Charlie book nsem kwa and kewa no the one o kan nsem no tia hu say eni ma bi wo ha esam ba be bisa na answer o just say maybe we ba no boss say na waka say mo go ahead we are man go ahead but on say reach no demarcations need also we ja obi adwuma man nti before be do reach one can now as I think it's that then say kewo suya because say wo de odo obogu level no
so is your or your software and also can
all do anything they know I'm nipa na mo ye ne sa no
so your
nipa de I'm nipa na mo ye ne sa no so they know say akoye ni say ya but asema uze utie ni kasema ne ya so oko the boy was smart enough say kono or cool but so no the fans na beko because somebody like Kevin Boy ofi Stone Boy or lose some sort of fans because of how banter name but don't say last minute move play I don't know strategically like ubia ene de we yen koboko ye ko de a see etuaneka we are say
assembly ni hobby
yeah as say people are watching say obesign em for example man na year or two now Nigerians are putting money for last minute on produce nyum ni money but am man I didn't in your face ya ka so we can on sign obia then na sa na abu say pa or they are signing the way strategy am use but I think say Kiwa wanye professional when it comes to animal because mo odo no edi kan and when it comes to business odo nim say business ne ba as say bia you so odo no be man na o na odo adwuma o ye but say obi a oni ne adwuma no odo be ma odo no be bu kwasia that's what last made you see the boo you know say Kiwa penasem like bibi o be kan bia ne Kiwa be man so no gina so no the boo no kwasia so if any odo na I don't think Kiwa be side we go no ni adwuma ne so those old people are more business they know music business ni the way ka be ka simple cra
right Tisha issues of ungratefulness Abaji mentioned Kevin Boy only Stone Boy issues near the idea and guys I think artists no be na it is I think say even with Ishon and any Stevie Mensah same thing happened near the unjini say with what is going on between Kiwa and for instance last minute no remember investors and I say we are label better mo say no since you has me sign obi a or say me ma de nya tare chin and I say me sign cra
me ankasa pa de nka after Stone Boy any OV mo issue no nanka me a record label leader come very smart because Kelvin Boy Stone Boy who ne say autonenyum the boy is good or voice like automenyum and or sign in OV so call hit maker or also call hit maker not the Stone Boy enyum and performing. That time na me work, I remember I said a couple of times na you call National Theatre to support him. It was the Beam Nation fan base that was supporting Ovi.
Yeah.
So right after she won, Stoneboy took her into BMG. Almost 2 years, and then BBS signed. And then Stoneboy could say if you go on signing any artist to be. We'll share how things went with Stoneboy, ni manager, no, ni old manager Black City, ni Kelvin Boy, ni Ovi mu issue. Now you'll be a label as a person as Kewa. While GD was produce a whole lot of artists, was produce a new baby or you're smart. He has been in the business for a long time. Yeah. You don't say you love someone so you want to work with the person without a contract. Because me pewasem inti. So what you say? Links Entertainment artists being on more on YouTube page. Channel man back to Links Entertainment for YouTube. And then an artist come to you say opese ono ankasa nyane YouTube. Enyum na ebe ba no pe de share onso fa say me am de mesika twa nyuma ma no wo pe we nipa ne signing contract bia with you e gina so de nipa na court o say and then omo two last made for no those people are very very clever. Me I don't blame the boy though, but me susu say nipa na omo two ne for no they've done a really good job because so what's not business you move for a long time and then you move on with someone on this issue na nipa na fa ne ho ade no wa twedi aye wa na wa gya ho ama na twedi because all his songs kofo be frɛ no ama na ba oye word nya obi ba ko bi no mtwa nwum mienu ba ko mienu bi ka ho a wa kan industry de mutimi nya ne hwe mutimi mfa ne nkɔ we ye so fu mutimi mu ni dua nyame na ade be ma no nya kopɔ so wo ye ne
but me give this a Kewa why some mistake ni be apart from we because ne artist be this Mr. Drew Creamy this are someone cases boy friend simple Kenmaga and is it Rachel Blues or this omunya were under
Kenmaga no nya problem.
Yes omunya said no, it wasn't Kenmaga, it was independent lady Yalbek. Yes. I think omunyina was under contract at then last minute there.
Don't say free MTN
hitmaker
because I say a transition yeah we hitmaker then your boy need good nti na yen to aso ne yen adwuma mama ne contract on so ne ko share ne nkofo no say David o de yen hye dan delay ne ma bi na mo nya adwuma ba ko mienu bi after that no ne etu ye ho for no so hu say nyom na o try na good ye produce ba e be ko nti enya ma yen nwum ni wie ye nwum ni wie na hate a after that ne afa ye ho adwen eno ano no watwike we the simple cry.
Well, this issue and then me who I think say me who in the Japan page say e be kakra I just am ko form ma me no papa e be manage omo unji ni say both parties either record labels and artists obi a betimi lose in a way.
Come labels ni lose but the artists ni be lose because me na mo music am be show what you say if say me the show mu na me hwe na me nya hwe a say me me akɔhye kuadwuma mu na ma ye what you say because me music ba wo no we amfa say wonni bia ho na de be show mu what you say hot Kewa adwan ko so ne say time was running ade me hu say the moment MTN dey no ending na I think ho na o man adwan say yeah charge time ne ko 3 months on fa hwem by 6 months on fa hwem by I think o pause no na yen san mi yen to aso on do adnet no ba wan pause no e news say
wo twanyom kra ya video
aka ho
on ha ti wan fa time ameshim onu hu say wo chare yema na bre na on to no bo asan kan contract ne kama na contract ben kwa na 6 months and be kan lawyers are hine ba as na dwan ankoso we hu ya na fa no
I think say a person sign contract for 5 years
also papa beba after also lawyers were approaching after the lawyer from Nigeria like
on one they planting like my planning ade no Kewa na go smart like 3 months now or person is actually last brani en sign ade no o ti aseni en to aso adwuma na yeguzo ye video no na senka o chance o chale yeguzo adwuma no Friday night I beg video na ko nti brani en sign e wi ya na ade ya to aso e ho no sign a ni hu jera nkodi mu bia ba wi de running abeshim running so na matwa video and unze ye
enyum na hit
senka wa ujane ho a ko be san a drop another song as an another video.
Command me guy be say Kewa ambo abo any because when the guy was a rapper he was good. Me mom there me feeling last minute when he was a rapper. Time when that charger sa I don't know yeah I'm the feeling but
me singing I prefer the singing more than the
rap no.
And I think say Kewa so mentor ni ye. Because o hwe na nipa no or switch ko he aha na be ya ultimate guide the person towards it means so ananka mo work ko anima kadi can blend the two or rap kakra or singing kakra
say Kofi Kenata and so sa
once last minute the kind of singing no unique was the next time no this obi the basis like unyate ya no say
last minute
they singing the last minute so I think the Kewa was willing to the boy say oh ma onya this unique artist bibinia untimi nkofo obi enfa na mechim just say here this last minute kind of artist no so nya ya no akotam last minute na but na bechim that's what Kewa was doing so na onya gidie oh boy ni enyo odo bi amane say oh from MTN dey jare ento aso na say yenye na bibia nya kama na boy no so different ideas ono so dia atuniti ma
right you can share the future of these new signees highly spiritual oji this says Kewa any last minute issue where can was this year ever affected these boys
well cry this is I start to affect yeah because if maybe I don't know how I'm contract it but as a contract in say they should get their own YouTube page as I say I'm obey den Kewa mpene unless if you ube o just ube ka say me ko because in nimu dia I don't so be changes bias this year because due to what last minute I am or the contract net to is it that you sign or you go
I believe nyanka artist be a whole label be anka wangasa YouTube page na nyawo dia because ubetimi free pay label no so at any time but when the page is there still na sika e wo homa
I want someone like Kwame Wiji was not links on YouTube page am but na Kwame Wiji anka one personal YouTube page on there no my label name enyom YouTube page fanyo ma dey but you as an artist ne someone so na fa ho adwen o just na wonya bi wa chire how dey buy bi a cover bi ni wa bi a oh yeah personal stuff bi na dey akoto o just people will go and watch because when your numbers na wi when say the label kra na odin aboa o just so kwama me hu ni say what the label wants na why am ana because of nkwase ebu ndi say wa am wadwen man na ho na why say oh me bu am kwase a that's when you find yourself wanting because me hu ni say me view na just bebu links kwase a o just ndi whatever o ye bia ni team fine and we no if say bibi na so ka say bia go and subscribe to my page with me there far links for so na my man so links make me acha video amu we are they will just at the end I bibi ketu bia ma miss we say oh go and subscribe to this YouTube channel miss V am with my man because of amu ni any bad blood we are but oh ya artist now we label no so now so me chomedi so me personal YouTube page nearly am far now if you work that's when you find yourself wanting but I say me hu ni say wo label so a e so ma wo timi e da of fine ya dwuma ne say na say no wo ye wie na wo hia mo bi from the label a am ba ya ma simple cry maybe nga wo mre o just say because am wo afa na wo wie a wo be independent artist
right
wo ba build a new PR system na ade enyankofo they already have that name man all you have to do is go for any pa no be o promo ma wa chale me person me call it FM who am I to see only any bad blood but okay free as me see free person buy kan na me mo free kwa na free ways won say say na wo ho so ombre but the might go chomadi na okọ
issue abedin
o free ni bomfa o just say you find yourself want to bre ankasa be bre on say me tama no links ankasa say yam bo amba ne ma bo fi wono hu de wa adnet adwuma ne nye one man job o just a whole team adwuma the last made ono no building the team without even Kewa knowing say o team o just say nka Kewa etimi to no bo say monitor no say wa kola okay say no en ma say ahen for kra na share last minute nyuma katin say betimi kra ajinja na ma wa hu enema bi because black with am ko me I don't know kwa na koi oni nkofo bi edi ekoi so if say the old man jani pay attention to those people the kind of advice on my black wa and kono kan with me ayi ada na ho so these are hot labels ni bi esa mo hwe o just say label ka say am investing in artists ni be bre more than the label because label ni am music na mo di bishim na ama ye dwuma na ma wo artist no wo ni am say chwonwom no yento yentwa video wo de ne o craft na wo di de ho o just yen the craft na be ko nti say wo wetimi di akori ya say dey zika to baby why you are there on do anything handy I think that is me when compared to the label what you say
right teacher mami gusa we yo one thing is as a new crop of artists omu sua there from normal to old artists ni bi and I say omu a JMJ any kaki any example they are eto kaki amasi say we giving up on music wa ko tran bu chikra bo ne bra one thing is say normal way no as a label no omu mia contract no too much nti am this new crop no almost afa mo adwen say okay say me hu say the bia MSV me hu say the bia kaki me hu say the bi aye yemi alede ye the bi aye Cynthia Morgan dia ene me bad dia o contract na we the man me say na say me so me yi nyoma bi film say na be suit me ankasa artist no
me dream say me Oscar. Okay, me person me support wo artist no. Me yo promotion, me try videos, me record wo your mama. And na me wo di wuti kewa o you know say enyom na enye inkwala, you understand. Now me ba be signing I'm giving you a contract and you think say the contract is not fair enough. Kwai. me wo record label ankasa na me because ka oh banas artist no on fashion ma you are not bringing any money. All you are bringing is your talent, your craft.
But talent so and this can be man who
but there are a whole lot of people out there. All the contracts they will agree to it because I don't think say contract ne didn't accept or boo artist ne kwasia to the extent say there's nothing you can do about it. Artist no so say be onimians and I don't think say chinchini as people want us to believe say that's what the record labels are putting the artists through. Inti say mama o contract. Inti ne se fa ko chair lawyer because why do bro for kan ya on ti ase. Inti fa ko chair lawyer. Ono lawyer na call discuss it. Magia to mo sign. Ni e be adwuma now start to say you are giving attitudes that does not goes along with the contract na you sign here na. Me terminate two contract now ko. Because yes now sisi ake wo na ne ho akokamo e na me sure say Mr. Drew Musikana or the sponsor boy no because 40,000 no asa 40,000 the music video ba akokra ampo yeah asa da na me de omkofo sika sponsor on that time e beba se e ba bedidi hu no waju YouTube account no wonyom e de ne nam say wo kofa lawyer fra broche ni Nigeria like it doesn't make sense into your artist that bro ho ase. That's all you have. Like if you don't have a record, see, Ovi, you don't even hear from her. Or producing your man and on Facebook, ones on tempo.
Ovi, I think it's or Black City label na
or label your city
or Black Ham. But Senka, on the Stone Boy, Beam Nation, they were supporting her that time. Namo Beam Nation, so I know what I'm talking about. They supporting your core, you didn't then you buy a streaming adi. Kelvin Boy too, it was the same thing. But Sisiano, you hardly hear from them, even though they are there. They have their talents, people know them. But Beam Nation as a fan base, no, they hate them. They don't like them. Yeah. Kelvin Boy as embassy Sisiano, Koka Bibi Sisiano, Kofobedi Dinatem. And then we're creating some enemies among. That's what me Bompire said last May doesn't create for himself. Say be your friend interview beyond ko kan semboni bian fa kewa ho because say your friend interview na journalist dey nsem show wenum and then you say what you are not supposed to say
the issues be
obe create enemies among
especially na kewa e kasa no you'll be tempted to speak as well.
Oh of course and now say kewa so wa on kan ni bebre on kan semboni bia on share dan kan asem bia de bad blood bia beba nti wo akwara no be ka bibi. No one can hear CCR. You create enemies for your Ghana bloggers, they will blog it. Everyone will hear. Almost a title, no. Last made insulted, they on this, that. On Nipanaka on kind story in the crowd, then Kofobe will say you are ungrateful. In Simpaya everyone said the boy should be selective of the words he says during his interviews. Now on try as much as possible. Make Kewa almost on far how much he has spent on him. 1 billion crown fan kono mutua ma no. Oh of course. Oh yeah, Oji.
Wanjia I'll see some last minute kan honton.
Yeah.
Yeah, me say me if I'm a label number signing last minute is here. I'll make sure say I'll pay whatever He was spending one.
Yeah, besia kra akọje na tia.
Yes, udu sika be she wunya hwe.
Yeah, of course. Esa wa boka sebe. Esa wa se wa nyansa, ade nyansa bi anim. Ti say 1 billion kra, ndru 1 billion kra onkoje. Onje ni sika.
Later restriction obi ase na message o say ma me mbodi di ma me mbo incident. O say omo de sika e sha artist bi mu. E rent dan ma no. E ma ne car, e ma no studio. E ma no engineer. Akwa na nko studio da 2 years and a time no so wi nkwa no. And this is how oni ye nyina ya adwen say e was a record label for no omu miem.
Yeah,
come on obasan da obasan I say this Ogidi Brown kind of contract signing bi no. Obasan negotiate bi.
Oh, of course, obasan sign.
Ngoziane sina obezi o di obasan ni anu obasan ni. E obi ni asi ko studio na so ko nkwa. Ni ahare.
Because Ogidi Brown so I say ono so familiar chere ne kaka.
Yeah, the chair. And this is no so na da
yeah, because Custom Boy say he is at a verge he can help other artists.
Yeah,
but I also
Endra was saying 3 years me who be our can say very difficult to help an artist.
Yes. But Monsonka talent ya na nyum ya mutu bia na man fa mo.
Go forward talent to.
Yeah, go man be brave.
Go forward talent upon this new guy is it Olive the boy.
Olive the boy.
Yeah, this
Konongo guy bi no.
Yeah, Matis Konongo guy no Matis is Mr. Easy ni Kim Promise Akambo Masan no there. Ya bon empire say you see these issues ya bon empire say nka these guys endru but again issues of ungratefulness. Say be mo pe na ma investor na be mebu. Me hu yanka this kind of gram the bibi.
And one thing about this boys na munsuan de. What you say? Amunsuan de. So obi ya de you have to learn from ade obi ya. What you say? This ungratefulness issues no Ghana be brave. And when you are coming make sure say Charlie I will get to a place I may do. Na me name manager no. Whatever I will be ya den. Ya trust no amicably na me ko. What you say nti wo buy no now no you want to get to a episode we do. Boko o de ni obeka say ye den ye man because on onim adwuma ne sen wo o de ne say o de enwum na onim to sen no ti wo de to nwum do ade abese shows ba akobo o ja say wi a wadu ba bi a wadu awie no
contract say den e ben
contract ne ben de strong man is akode simple crash so na me sign me na me call no akwabo ne say akode now sakode e feature strong man be feature sakode obi anu bi ni problem o ja say akwabo a gangi interview obobo sakodi din kan asempa fa na ho yeah mo say asana niti o am person mu du ba bi strong mo nya numbers na wie so onya dropping nyuma obenya numbers obenya the streams or pay obenya onhia hwe bi o ti azenti ade ese boys na musua no enya fe na unyanya hit me nu bi na pa maso bi setting me
ko Links Entertainment they've been working for so long you can hardly hear say kidney Links for your issue. Simple, you don't hear anything like that.
Miss me when you say I na I'll bring in count. Obi won ma nani so adeke to be no. Say kiddies so free hit makers are.
Yeah.
For the Links I to obeka say if not for Links e bi anka mini ha. Nti I na entertain kan obi won ma say entertain ofie no ya dekiti man so nani. But obi so feel say do why am but me so me talent e kan ho bi. Oda say e bi ti say last minute dey obi feel say enya me talent anka bia anka kewa kasika bi ho anka amba na account mu what is it I mean so onya
40,000
on one thing say once kewa say now can wajije name bi wo inside so me the question I'm asking myself is the last minute after hitmaker obo shows what is it obo shows baby so I'm asking the shows ni sika no so na ha na eji what is it
shows ni sika so boy ni so jipo transportation baby I would da for
on that money is a factor
but I see who say omo ye team team no we so be enya small
and maybe bia skabia na last minute feel say senka onya no because of say a team ninji no obi a tete kakra bonus kana ere asa
but say you nkwa so are you pay o say you nkwa na ye adwuma say me nkwa say me artist me na me sponsor me ho me ye bibia on my own skabia baby 100 over 100 me you pay obeko studio obetua transportation tade abeche baby abeda car DJ blogger kewa de sas kan tuatua for those people. Standing money.
How I maybe be a member say in interview. Kill about 1,000 Ghana bit ya. But maybe I'm a commander back and gram. Monty me swear. They only must save it.
Maybe okay one soon him go for.
Another factor.
We say a bit me afraid hit FM. Me person me makra no buy interview.
Free.
And it does.
But I was to kill and be free about to you know. Yeah, on paper. What's every.
Oh, but I say,
oh my God, but I was last minute. Mama won for 4. They asked. In the also we are making those the guy last minute down for. Oh, that's how must buy me the chair.
Oh, but Pepper also just say what you are telling
now.
Yeah, last minute on can we go anymore?
Because who
say? Yeah, who say? I say.
Who baby so as 1,000 I could share you. Who baby as 1,000 I could share.
I know what can say what to me. But anybody say a free.
But the man everything. Also, what I say, man everything. This obi the 2 cities crash show mukra. At least nipa na yade because any easy o.
Wọ́n sọ kọ́mọ́ de go in ní ẹ̀dí àsẹ̀mẹ́bà nù. Wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n hɔ de a ó yẹ edwuma no but sẹ́ ẹ̀bá sẹ́ ó tẹ̀ wọ́n ho a ebi wa na sky nipa nípa sẹ́ o nya fi wọn o nya nwie. Wọ́n do anẹ́sẹ̀ no ebi àwọn sọ ehunu nso aha na mẹ́du ma pẹ́m tiẹ̀ sẹ́ mi ní mo ẹ̀pá pẹ́m ehun sẹ́ Mr. Drew kura no na kewa o problem kakra ọkọ no ehun sẹ́ na kewa o problem because na how ọpẹ sẹ́ Mr. Drew pagya na wọ́n sẹ́ nipa bi wa maybe ọba ahọ first no bóṣùá na abẹ́gye 1,000 afei na wakonya bi a VGMA high life song of the year bi na man isika na koso kakra no akwaji ya team music bi a high life na man isika na koso kan ti onya bi a be 2,000 a show wase me ko won so waje 1,000 sa afia baji 2,000 ni bi no o ga se tamazo ti me ko won do anet na sa was ono we bu kwase ahin we because wa won 2,000 ni bi kra na oko won say onya shows be 5 a ya no ye okay but yes ba won so bi anga onya shows be 5 na o te commission apet me dia ye me aside o di promo no on dia no as am ma o se tatre na as ama wantwi ni ba no tina kakra tina kakra tina na ba ku di ebufu e den ekọ on ba se okọ na mu ye ka zo ye nya o se ne ko ba wi a atin se ken wantwi ngen ma di mimi hu ni se artist ni be so okọ no label no so amu hu ni se e ka ma bo no ho na mo nti o mo ka nwie ama mana ere akọ o je se o mi se ne papa ma anka artist bi wo be kwa e so ma notice kra because we also who is so ma notice gram lebu be jama afia
no man attention
we also o ma notice am pese me ko we are hopefully by next year June na me ko ndi mo nye preparation for maybe I'm outgoing na lebu no say o boga be so kwa am be ma afia no onyum bia o ka ye improve you ni eja o sa ni ma na
fa
na on do an hand ya mo go time a week ni da betum mo twen na 2 weeks ana pa
baby
ndi I think the label no so exam so consider sa na ma no say oye contract ni asan nti ye adwuma ono so nye ne de edu ona bi a bibi bebom na say because we out me the bonuses e share the contract nti oji award bi say ya ye ma this kind of bonuses we dey say na waji award ni bi waji ama ne price ne kosoro ni show price ni mani makosoro after dem say e be discount no contract ni bi as time na contract ni be end and there we me kwa osi debi twen kakra na bi da kwa twema mentwen as we are grateful ana okoi obu onso na lebo ni ade bi artist na hu okoka pe yese mo nka on de onye na djuma mi wa ono na oye adwuma no o di azie because e wo discussion mu na mi madwuma na wodi hu dia that means adwuma no do na me kra na mo wada me hu na mo ya de a na me hu na me yeze me nka ana so me kaka na magazi ma me nka I think say in Chai because I think that there was this girl Black Avenue girl be Rich something na oni Sifa enya issue
enye Frida na
there was this other girl be ono ko ancha obi a Richie girl be Virginia Rich something
yeah
ono se ni Sifa nya issue e o label ni so amo kan but I think that the Black wasn't so much interested in a ma nto kwantina ma Richie girl na e call because if say computer keep girl no in terms of body near money marketing wise ke be fa but once no person Sifa adikan and the girl too wanted to come na mo mbra boot for boot with Sifa which and then fantina Sifa ka be na enemy o label no so and I think say these are near ma be labels ni be some hwe sa na man esa munya a team for this particular person and a team for this particular person because even HR ne ma mo label inside near that no amo artist am pom asem there might be somebody or links I'll pay kid as something come use but where do more links there's imagine say bibi beto say come use as we take sign create ntama ma use but kid ya so channel because who is say o masa kwame enko ya onye dey onko and these are never be a if you kwame ko hu no ko kan pe na fi say why hand time on do anything indeed labels no zane maybe some put this money in place artist the bibi ba e so mo hu how am busy violent am kan asem no because last made me who's a problem or but because now who's only come for because na reaching na den nam K1 nam ana K1 den is the on na titimudi until so binya label bi a ambassador mo so ye promo am ma no da interviews no ba kwat na za kasa no and as be a radio station bi na TV station bi na fele say ye hia last minute for interview no ba kwat na za kasa no then now dey oni come for bi anti whatever K1 is saying no okay what do you say
right I mean checking some reactions here this one says also good job Ahenkan. My name is Bosiakon. Okay we say hi good afternoon Kosti. Moja inside Swedro, you guys are doing marvelously with your local hip hop. In fact, I'm enjoying the show. Personally, I think Kewa is hate. That's why he's talking like that. Cause I think he has no one media platform that Hitmaker or MTN gave him only 4,000 CDs for video. But we have to hear last minute side of the story. Of course, I'll see it here last minute. So the story be about two sides of the story. Let me check another reactions from this side now. I think the other reactions be copy here by Facebook. You know, let me check it. Okay, so command be must say Abaji is right. The name is Nina Richie. Artist in Nina Richie. We say it is still afternoon here, and we are enjoying afternoon where and Charlie. my young call we run off ever to shows right. You know Vitamic so we be a and maybe out to be at the mount medical school. Mister, there was a auto air Vitamic. Was a Vitamic is one food was also so yes, and your drink be like it's not moving food no. Okay, it's in everyone strive to live longer, grow healthier, and become more successful in all endeavors. Now, Shannon so say Vitamic flavors are hodo yeah. Vitamic comes in 8 regular soya milk for complete nourishment, and I think Vitamic energy, the energy booster with no caffeine. Your Vitamic choco, very nutritious, sumptuous, and I mean a very good so at the man and your Vitamic banana and also a very delight also for kids. It is a utimina ebia ope be at the amount of Mr. Oko all shops are ubenye be at all. And so say your Vitamic strawberry and also our home at the man and kola any penifo in a Vitamic 250 ml for the in penifo, okay, and also Vitamic champ and so enriched with calcium omega 3, calcium omega 6, omega 9, and after you know a boama and koala any very smart, healthy and strong. In so Vitamic is a nutritious meal that feels good everywhere, anytime. Vitamic open betimanum akwala ebetimi anumbi. Again, let me check some reactions here. Okay, you know, Ni AJ Kraku or say Kobina Kosti. I'm watching live from Tema Newtown. Keep doing great. Kindly raise these lovely words. Hey, where NDC for an MPP for you number. Okay, watching live from Gospel Oak Barbershop in Amakom Kumasi. I see great show. Pedro One Medina Cruz says watching the best show live in Clare inside Indianapolis Kumasi Tenant so Kesben Junction where Morgan the pork seller is. Keep up the good work. Yeah, Empress says keep up the good work. And alright, you try home bra, okay? Yaba na yabeto show so them yaba sisia.
Hello, Ohima. Eti saying.
Ayo.
Na edahin.
Me kwatade.
Edie bensa.
Cratchy. Obe suja na so be hwem kwent.
So, na se jane de wo so aye den ankwan de wo hwem kakra.
Anyway, me ko pe vitamin bi de ajojo makoma.
What a coincidence. Me say no na me koto, no na me no.
Hey bra, wait dear wo boa.
Oh, I want to mint me ntwa wonro.
Se wara.
Vitamilk no, emu de he pa na we ni je.
Me pe Vitamilk banana any choco because I'm black and proud.
Hey, interesting. Me dey me a regular guy with lots of energy. So wow.
When you kapao.
So wow. I can see we have something in common. Ohima, yanko try a Vitamilk connection. Would you bo me kana metia? Anye bia se kwan down.
Kwan be.
Na muni brebi. Vitamilk di foforo bia be kan busua ne ho aye friend of Vitamilk strawberry. Vitamilk energy aduane abri biara. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Showbiz 933. I'm loving it.
All right, so it's only 24 minutes after 2 and Yeguzuewo 93.3 FM Ahenkan. Now, you call straight to your next topic, which has to do with VGMA. Senamdi Kankan earlier on the show, no Munya, I hope see a Kai Nanki on a winning on some category or the 22nd edition of VGMA. And he's out now, and all kind you mean case complaint. Now he's saying I was at VGMA. A promotee and as omoboana womo winning on some category no sa artist nti so ono nanki nankasa no any gambo money I think they winning recently DSL, right? Yes, omungina yem promote om nanka omundrum pempen so a also mudu. And now people are saying say nanki is that what kind of song say VGMA any record label. But the people say no, in as much as any record label, they has the power or they have the power to make an artist, and as a artist a blow near there. Again about my machine free so the Nanki cano meaning sounding by doing away and as on any
because you as an artist now expect an award organization and after what we wow they win almost me promoter what I say which it doesn't make sense because even you getting a nomination you a form of promo. I think ujina sadi and so the promo one kasa on because udru baby your first and from Nanki me na me winning unsung artist of the year this year now they are tour then people will just give you whatever you want because any people who are coming or the VGMA nomination crack or jilum they know yeah won't mean any on the ultimate dim yon coming uko so kwaji besia obi wa because on for collateral mra u collateral ni sa din na da so I don't say I will go to any bank say okodi loan na man big gidi because say say ne ho asem ba say akodi loan I went to ya the brand our building na be say what you say and nanki wonya sa de ni bi which we win the biggest award of Ghana on some category what you say okunya nomination was winning on some category was our award scheme so I think say any quite a big plus amount anga with me agina so dia aton na we na koda because after this award no me hu say we drop in be 2 and 3 gra okoda
or drop I think say you na me bopa cassette
yeah ana we no we no koda what you say and we na wa hu de wa Ghana etie and you mean dropping back to back in bonnet that say na wa drop here no koda on do anything enti anima bi wo ho you as an artist when you so you don't have to put it on somebody's own account because imagine say when you feature from Sakodia now the name Sakodia na tell udine ho na odi eno ka be ton nwom no so all you have to do is say pushing nwom ne kakra bi with the name Sakodia no na nwom ne nko you don't have to go and say me Sakodia nwom ka Sakodia an share nwom yeah like undimi kan kwatena san ka say me Sakodia nwom sa me Sakodia me kutu eska feature Sakodia an share nwom no. Do you know what the names are called alone and Daniel and with me? That me commander sometimes we want me online, me downloading your equity and me who feature beer. Me who's a feature and the title of the song you do. But the person of can you what I say me could see verse keke. A song like spelling bee, medical spelling bee. Me corner 8 town or me town me say I'm a fan of Timothy your man more than many but when I'm comment on medical
no.
I was like this sound engineer I didn't say well jai music production or music and kasana so I just me call you want to bimbo
medical
nko na you nyina but those anyuma me download the previous no to be wait name ko yi ma me so I was even ignoring nyom But I said, so some medical account, I mean, oh, Sana de Echo, and a D medical and one, or the medical and fat spelling bee in your uncle. Now 8 times, also say, most what to him, and you come back and sit down and say, if you medical, and you be a medical, and say, do you know a D medical and I am me, I downloaded a song because of medical, and you would need them downloading and Oba now I can say, we're for Nanki. Say, when I need this, people will even come and look at you. Obu out or down you really would have one category who need that. It will imagine say what lobby and show be what down. Nay, I do dinner to Sonanki. Not yet that would have for tag on San Charlie near if radio station be a call for interview be among Casari and Caudino and see says sure among Salishuna. One Casacabit may show one Casancasa.
I think so we need 2021.
Yeah, one Casabit may show with Vodafone for dinner. Wait, I'm a war scheme now. We will not back counting one other selling. You don't have to wait a VGM before we are. I'm on call radio to radio and found your call. I'm on TV stations for video call. Say, we no winning on some category. No money videos mine. Now, we need an OJ plug was in and then. And then it comes with the plug. A dinner account. But there's a Joby. Now, people know Joby to be Joby, but to call we need new artists of the year. She had mileage at the man. Who's it afternoon? Who company work off for collabora and yet giddy be any change compared to when now be animal cry. Would the one nomination cry not there now call penny was and I call Elis artist was senior minimum budget team compared to underground artists or no call Elis artist will be any moon upcoming you will be any moon or yan nomination be a crowd
because a dim Vodafone music
Ghana as a Ghana Premier League no top scorer. Do you do open on Yadu, Konaga, Mina on some category 2021? Boss, my new build and team. What's here? What may tell you, when you have a 2 in front of Sunday, and my main final idea. Baby, I will do no. What be going numbers, but the category now we need and crown. Who know about J. say, oh, numbers, unless I could check it. No, go to our country, we no could die with numbers. We are in the same good didn't now on chance, Chatter House for. Embran as a Vodafone form, finding your monk and your cotton move will be Vodafone and maybe an airball. Is a Nanki, Numini, David. It doesn't work that way. One pay a good PR system, among Yamanema, PR team Papa Bia, Ambako, aha, I didn't know you be a femura. And you will be out of Quanco, but I'm not a good team and what about call. Sunday man, I saw ye. No one just say or portion blame because it's our portion blamer. VJ von Bamba come with them about portion blames also no ye also ye then.
Abajama me pese ye my checking the ECCI I think say 2 years ago. Then your money can promise a no 160k views on YouTube. Maybe I know be new pa kwa kana say. Yentie maybe I know be ma kind of.
Showbiz 933, I'm loving it.
right, so song was produced 2 years ago, and the views also there it was from 160K there.
Yeah.
At least numbers there. But the question is, what do you see? Mebusa teach answer the same question. What's it, these guys? No, most of them, when going free more DSO, I know they were lucky. No links did that. Most of them no money record label. You see, after winning this awards, no, it's very very difficult for them to make it to the mainstream.
Yeah.
Internet beer, nanki kasa.
Because who is any difficult in book?
So I think it's 2018. So Kevin Boy winning, he wasn't under beam. Anameboa.
He was
2018.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I mean, who say who win you being on a level, no, easier than you not winning. Now we are you being there, people are coming to look at your talent and they are signing. What I say because now you are in the limelight. Yeah, baba. The one some category is if we are see the whole Ghana, everybody is watching VGM. Now we didn't have a dazzle. But people will just go and look at any parkour a fan on some category. What I say, and I think say when you know when who ideas are in the bayamano because even if say we are and maybe we are going started on one go for because you can't just see got now corner. I mean, who is able we are no those suffering now. No, sana mama we amu we are na ma kwase one corner bi. Things we wait me because yeah crying any AC it doesn't work that way. It's all starting creating connections. Which I say for people to see say oh uni I mean we want say interview one kasa kura na abeko. So be interview bi. Which I say na mama dey bi a if you say Charlie unju ahwe because am as I say yeah unju you say here content for your shows. Which I say dey Charlie camera person can pass it through show o and mama dem mefrel. E dey bi a camera say en fa ujananki wo Charlie this atidi pass it through na enya bi on do and na ene ma kama ba wie na you feel say oh menya on some category me nko tena baby for labels to come and chase me. David doesn't work that way. I saw maybe crack me the call label no say Charlie mon sign me. O just say me who say be wa but I idea say artist ni be wa moye. You have to take your talent to them. Change the Charlie me first ka say shemu. At the end of the year me just ka say amamo. O just say me that confidence no most Ghanaian artists amu ni sa dey.
Any artists nko ni probably eshada ni sa confidence.
Amu ni bi.
Yes, that know they can catch a quiet fast funny piece of also one of for Dixon phone say eh that way piece of me met my view met my pa well again the people no sa confidence
we come now obo be confess waka say bra one holiday bi no near jam go for na masa tenase yeah me enhwe where's the and from one to me nya deliver pe adwuma na si wadwuma nya mo na wanya no all do and me who I was talking to show money one time on show money say Charlie these are name say yeah if you who big man be water if you say man who ska which may invest you go to the man for business plan ko to him say papa me be drop in 5 me tell music video mu 3 what I say me YouTube stream say net subscription and pass na subscribe and every month we are menya say every say only papa no not trash in my bar we must say you say if I say shame now within 2 years I'll give you this any business minded person be no first can show and obeye so big man want to say they will think say you are off frame but yes they will see you everywhere me fa bia show money because bloggers be jomo there media houses be jomo there YouTube promo we TV stations they will see within short time now na baby but where is the confidence amu sura there amu wie kra na bi wa amu wie pressure e tell there no ba no enye easy e bi na ye bosom pion o wie be no see depression ekunu because maybe that time no one expect to say obenya sa nomination ana nomination aba and maybe through and no the winning award no now we win award or a big Ghana it is it's a trot on of what so jana ko taxi and fa uber sikana so my as at that time then say oye o just say you have to be so obi am ka say oye music mu sabi asawo baby so mo bi hu and let them know the real you o just say because now that's the time I'm here bibi if you and I was here if you want is what don't quite how can they find you because me say after winning or don't quite tell say go buy say we winning or by the way the likes of Jobi mo yeah no and nanka no be no buy yeah akwaba don't think go buy radio so na TV so akasa sem we
or talent
because what talent utie nyum na Charlie enyum we any media house bia wa mo bia na bia they don't just like the boy because I want 9 song even with King Promise on the song and Kabeko. Into then how 2 years now this song is not everywhere or Ghana yeah. Even with King Promise on the song. Into the imagine only King Promise new banko baby on cassette and be doing. One do anything. Into come who say after winning the award or relax say and as if your pressure being a fan. But there's no quite baby. And now if you say I'm for with me kona kasa na VJ me for to bomb be na VJ me for Ezebia they will do something about it about they are not going to do foku. Amon yashi amon be as amon ji obi an who win award new year na waje no je go and work on yourself now push your brand. They are not there to push any brand be after winning the award because nga amon mo be mbabo a amon winning this Vodafone songs of then now. Well, as a Vodafone for package video, and TV3 2 has something for. I'm gonna be winning this some category. And he said, "And you be now paid ya." I don't know I'm file for. And you be now question. Then we win and one ma.
What's me bash you?
Yes, what is but the be our channel. I did a count package account the amount. So we are the package no. A bini udia. About the baby as a we say. Who outside Krana Kubusha. You can just do Mungo go. Nanki na mo hade people just go your name and remember on sang artist says in that because Vodafone I think say I'm a search system who search here I think say even if whatever news be any bad news be a trend pa na say yeah I think say the one big news e be fa no be say there yeah what they say me after the award I relax it thinking say the Vodafone name no dey never call but one kasa one fa din na nkan odin one fa nkwa e din ni fa nko what I say and me who is that boy no dabi no die and now I sorry good say kasa say and after kasa say no onye kasa no ho adwuma more expect say obe kasa so Vodafone coming to call him now and then I'm dream how they are going to organize another one a bit bigger than what they did right now we decide adwuma we say come and am be we say ko dey be gene dey kwam we jin be gene dey am one and say chechema o mi obi a be gene dey kra promo ye say ga I was giving them a boca. What you say? A musica man, I'm more quantity. I'm a carefree than I can. They are trying to gather it now. They are another one. Also, because I find some fan promo. I'm a fan promotive. It doesn't work that way.
Right. Teacher, some of the campus are, you know, owns this artist, baby, now independence guy. They are on their own. I'm more forcing, say, on my breakthrough near there. But they are not kicking. In a way, we because say VJ is any record level. But obviously, I'm to me. Fan say Robert, betty me I'm friends Robert Clark, betty me for afraid obi wo any station e Ghana hanum say ya untimi kanu enche Robert what I say yeah and fan say bia yafa nanki na I say oh masumesi ye mam bibi say mo fambo nanki na ombra so e bia for just 3 months 6 months we dey say no be boa ma sa category na ngata no aboa underground artist
yeah first of all unsung no the word unsung like someone who is doing something very good but the person is not praised enough for something yes and to say what's a category say obia or yeah something great but he or she is not being praised enough na ni panel winning award na close up na sponsor is what she close up package amano after that waji award asan it's not enough to me because why a category ya vote amame with money marini then you give me a plug then you give me Pepsodent. I don't think after that there's any other package. Do they give them money? No. I'm not sure. It is all mommy plug now mommy sponsors products send me from coffee and it ends there. It's not fair to me because Vodafone 4 can do a whole lot. They can even have a package for the unsung because also the panel unsung. So do something for the person to be recognized. You can even have a deal with the person. Ebia 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. We are going to have your name on Vodafone calls. Ring back tone. You are listening to a song from this. That's the little you can do to push the artist. Now say me award new year. Now Adam so say me unsung artist. Ebi kura ye kan mini record label. ebi anaye a modern boy kakra bi anase obi a wasomase kakra enye record label I be a wagidin because Joy B time or J new artist no Black Avenue right
no BBNZ
now that time no abo tonga ne strawberry ginger no onya
I think it's not strawberry
no tonga ni
so he had a name strawberry ginger only D Black yeah inti say after that no ba or call Black Avenue, right? Because I hope I guess he worked with
Black Avenue and signing but not
they were working.
Yes, they were working, but on signing. Well, no, there was BBNZ live.
Inti say one mommy and sang winner, at least the little you can do to lift the person from being an unsung to a mainstream, or even the little you can do to push the artist. You can do 1 year deal. Ya vote ye ska intini okay ye man say sang no me 5 ska na ye de vote ma obia no ni obewini no ye be ye package say atoso nti wa obewini no ska na e benya from that vote ni or the sponsorship that comes from there no nipa no winning this ye de ne be ma producer bi one ni nya adwuma 6 months 1 year at least omonya nyum ba ko mienu bi. It's fair. But say we now me on sang artist na edini dam so say on sang artist na me new record label me new obi obedi mechi e bi kura na me YouTube when share down 5 bia sa oye nwom na obi ante. You understand? Edam so sang Ghana wo artist of the year na kura say bi obi anfa ho na on sang artist why the nim wo obi anim wo so what I say nti say me wini o e bi a color back tone 6 months bi 1 year be well because color back to for you pay for it into color back to maybe a 1 year be and 6 months be e be a win a be a 10,000 be ka ho yemfa wo ma obi no no nya nyum ba ko mienu bi e be a during the nyum no betime nya radio tours bi ni ade nipa ba ko mienu bi bete won ka. It's fair rather than say nipa ne beji one man close up.
Come on. Let's look it from this way. Like say you can say we am a package. Say there's a package. What you say? Was a award scheme and I'm waiting every year. So the year and the review maybe this year we win near started yaman package on recording your better on your promo ni nema na why your promo ni nyina wi o and you na be big definitely next year most popular song the year obetumi win na so win a obi on ne wo category be gyina ka say Vodafone for na push na no asan ba beje most popular song
Vodafone na push ni obi so on ni nya aduma
and they vote
come from there no was say yeah am ati say who win this category this what
you get
obenya
yes
what you say and when nya de no and at the crow through at the kono no nya ni mu no asan de be win most popular song of the year wait me nya sa package ni bi o
David
it's fair ama yeah through no can be popular what you say like the one work no na me am no category ni ma win bi no so kwame no so me dey na mo ye me ye nominate ye nyina o
ye nominate ye nyina but me Marini and Sang and Vodafone for push me
now no on now no adna be say so when we need ya you was in jail
David
me be say me bonyu bi ma
David
na tie na me bisa say o kai na Did you okay lo
me kind ba
what is that 2019 on no winning on Sang category but
come no this guy na me penance when
winning me the point because I think say maybe classmate be ekoyon so classmate or Ahenkan University it's not true madam for no and na me di tie no they be posting I was like who is this guy and also he man course made blah because this guy is very good but when he won 2019 or he from BFC
come on the pressure that